Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. Now we're going to analyze some few pair that I've been looking at due to some changes that have happened in the market few days. So we have to continue. No time to wait. We have to continue analyzing. Okay, so we're gonna look at some pair today, and we're gonna talk about Forex market analysis for January 13th, 2022. So let's continue with the analysis. And if you are new on this channel, you have to subscribe because this is the type of video that I always do. So you should know how to press the red button to subscribe. Now let's go. This is what pair is this? Let's start from the Japanese yen USD. So as we can see what is going on the screen, we have seen that the USD Japanese yen, it's been going down, okay, on a bigger time frame. That's the daily. So let me delete all this line. It's been on its way. Oh, don't let me touch the other thing. Now, this is what we're gonna do. We have seen the trend line moving down, okay? This is what the USD JPY is doing on a bigger time frame on the daily chart. This is the analysis. So if we look at the MACD, we can see that yes, the MACD also is facing down and is so strong with a downward movement. So what are we going to do if we have to follow this pair, for example? So if you have to follow this type of pair, you understand, you need to, first of all, you go and find your own exit point, which I feel like it's coming on this bigger time frame weekly, and it's coming on exit point of 116. Yep, 116. We don't know if it's going to break it or not, but we can still feel that is exactly where it's coming. So let's go back to the daily. Sorry, when we switch this type of things, this is what we're going to get. Wait. So this is what we have. So if you're going to take this type of thing, I told you, you need to go and get your own, go and get your own Forex Trading. You have to look at the link I put under this description of this video that I said, chart pattern, or check your own trending pair. You will see it. When you see it under the description, enter your own email address and go and check your email address, because we will mail you the link. This trendy that we are talking about is going to help you to enter and exit this market. You're going to be able to follow it even on the lower time frame. Okay, it's one thing that you hear the analysis on the bigger time frame, but you need your lower time frame to go and follow it to have a very perfect entry. This is where Forex Trading is very important. You need to get it because it's going to guide you how to enter and follow this type of market. Now, that is one. Then we go to number two, because we have, let's say we have two pairs to analyze today. Now, let's go to the GU pounds and Great Britain pounds and USD. What we got here is that the Great Britain pounds been going up. Okay, it has been going up, and then what we believe in this is that yes, we are going up. It has changed to a perfect up, and then what is going on? It's very strong. If you look at the MACD, okay, MACD is trying to rise up again. It's very strong, and then you can see the RSI heading up. So definitely we believe the GU is going up. Okay, so where are we going to take our own final profit? You go to the bigger time frame and you see that, okay, I can see that yes, we are coming to somewhere around here. Okay, yep, somewhere around here. I think this is 1.31722. We're coming around that zone. Okay, so this is what we have. Then if we have to go back to the daily, this is what we got. If you go back to the lower time frame of the H1, which is going to be your entry time frame, I speak again, you need to go and get your Forex Trendy and use it to follow this buy on the GU. Okay, these are very important pair that they are developing now, they're rising now. Let's go to the AU if we can do something about it. AU. Okay, we go to the big time frame and we see AU. Okay, going up, doing exactly the same thing like the GU. It's going up. So if we have to go and take a look at it, we're going to go to the bigger time frame and set up our own take profit. I think the AU is just getting started, or what am I seeing here? Yep. If you cannot see it, you pardon us. There's network problem here, but if I have to take a look at it properly, this is exactly where we're gonna get off. Okay, it's called the 0.70 whatever this is, but this green line, as you can see, this is where we're gonna exit. Okay, so how to follow it is to go to your 1 hour time frame, because all this pair is going up. Go to your 1 hour time frame and then you find your Forex Trendy and you use it to enter whenever it tells you to buy. That is it. So this video, we are not gonna take it so long, and this 3 pair is what we have today, and we're gonna stop this analysis. So subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching us.